The Mud Pie Turtle Paper Towel holder is a sleek and functional addition to any kitchen or bathroom. Made from high-quality aluminum and mango wood, this paper towel holder offers durability and style. The turtle design adds a touch of whimsy to your space, making it a delightful addition to your home decor. The vibrant turtle color brings a pop of personality to your countertop or wall. It is sure to catch the attention of everyone who enters the room. Installing the Mud Pie Turtle Paper Towel Holder is a breeze with its surface mount design. Simply place it on your desired surface and secure it with the provided hardware. No hassle, no fuss, just convenience and practicality. Despite its lightweight construction, weighing only 0.98 pounds, this paper towel holder is sturdy enough to hold standard-sized rolls. You can confidently pull a sheet without worrying about the holder toppling over. Measuring at 12.5 inches in length and 5.5 inches in width, this paper towel holder is calm.
The kitchen details. Chrome geode paper towel holder is a stylish and practical addition to any kitchen. Crafted from durable iron, this holder ensures long-lasting functionality. The chrome finish not only adds a sleek and modern touch to your countertop, but also provides excellent resistance against rust and corrosion. With its tabletop mounting type, this paper towel holder offers convenience and flexibility. It doesn't require any installation or drilling, making it easy to move around and place wherever it suits you best. The compact dimensions of 13.6 L into 7.5 W ensure it doesn't take up much space, while still providing stability and support for your paper towel roll. One notable feature of this paper towel holder is its geode design. This unique detail adds an elegant and eye-catching element to the overall appearance, making it a standout piece in your kitchen. The geode design also adds a touch of sophistication and class to your kitchen decor. In terms of functionality,
the Kamenstein 4554 ASB Perfect Tier Patented Wall Mount Paper Towel holder is a durable and practical solution for organizing your kitchen space. Made from high-quality stainless steel, this paper towel holder is built to last, ensuring long-term use without any compromise on quality. With its sleek silver color and rounded finial, the Kamenstein 4554 ASB adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen decor. Its minimalist design allows it to seamlessly blend in with any interior style, whether modern or traditional. One of the key features of this paper towel holder is its patented perfect tier technology. This innovative design ensures a smooth and controlled tear every time, preventing wastage and frustration. No more unraveling or tearing off more sheets than you need. The perfect tier technology guarantees efficient and hassle-free use. The wall mount feature of this product allows you to save valuable counter space in your kitchen. With its easy installation process, you can securely...
I recently had the opportunity to try out the Spectrum Diversified Euro holder for kitchen countertops, and I must say it exceeded my expectations. This sleek and functional kitchen accessory is a must-have for any home. First and foremost, the material used for this product is top-notch. Made of durable metal, it not only adds a touch of elegance to my kitchen, but also ensures longevity. The chrome finish gives it a modern and polished look that complements any kitchen decor. One of the standout features of this Euro holder is its countertop mounting type. This design allows for easy access to all my essential kitchen tools. No more rummaging through drawers or searching for the right utensil. With this holder, everything I need is within arm's reach. Despite its sturdy construction, the holder is surprisingly lightweight, weighing in at just 1 pound. This makes it easy to move around and reposition whenever desired. The product dimensions of 12.5 L into 5.5 W provide ample space.
product review. Spectrum Diversified Wall Mount Holder Installation. The Spectrum Diversified Wall Mount Holder Installation is a practical and convenient solution for organizing various items in your home or office. With its sturdy plastic construction, this wall mount holder offers durability and longevity. The white color of the holder blends seamlessly with any decor, adding a touch of elegance to your space. The Spectrum Diversified brand is renowned for its high-quality products, ensuring that you receive a reliable and well-designed holder. One of the key features of this product is its wall mount capability. By securely attaching the holder to your wall, you can maximize your space utilization and keep your belongings within easy reach. Whether it's in the kitchen, bathroom, or workspace, this holder offers a practical solution for organizing a range of items such as tools, utensils, or cleaning supplies. The item weight of only 0.29 pounds makes it lightweight and easy,